15th, and we've got the ice going out here in front of the brook. It's kind of all blown down here. Almost the whole pond is out. It's just blown down here. So first night I brought Daisy down to fish. And we can't really fish. Everywhere I cast, I end up just the ice taking my line, which is a bummer. Last night, Brandon got maybe 12 smelts, and the suckers came up the brook. So it's pretty much done here, probably. Ice is actually used to start going up the brook. This wind will knock the last of it out. There might be a perch here. Oh, yeah.
Got something big?
It feels big. Are you serious? You're getting stuck on it? No, I got it. Still got it. Holy crap.
Not trying to blind the other guys, but
Probably a perch, but fighting pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Holy Moses. I can't see what it is.
watch it. It's gone over that way. Looks like a...
Is that a catfish?
Yep.
Yeah, I got a catfish. That's actually a pretty big catfish. For here.
It is.
That's the biggest one I've gotten. Huh. Wow. Yeah, I do. I think I got my knife if you need it, but oh, it's barely hooked. That's a big friggin' guy. Huh. You need my knife? I think I can dig it out. Wasn't even on me. Jumbo perch. That's a big guy. Alright. Huh. Kind of feels like a perch, but it feels big.
Feels big?
Feels like a big perch.
So it's got something on.
10 miles away. Yeah, it looks like a perch, but
Looks like a perch.
dang. Definitely hit hard. I figured since it didn't go anywhere,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got that sinker's all wound
Oh
up.
yeah. Fat-bellied perch.
Yeah.
Success did not have time to get the camera going because I looked at my pole and it was spooled. We got a togue. Quite a night here, windy and cold. I almost didn't come out because it kind of sucks out, but I didn't really want to sit around the house. I figured no one would be down here. But I just had moved over here and cast out both my poles and went to grab my net and put it between them, and by the time I grabbed the net in a few seconds, one line had spooled. I got that togue. There was no way it was getting off. But the smelts are basically done here. A couple nights ago we did see a few in here, but in this little area. It's kind of right beyond the rocks, pretty sandy. I figured this was a good place to throw a couple lines out. Well, here we are. This is the spot where I got that togue last night. It's a little different, huh? No pouring rain, no high wind. It's not cold. And I brought Brandon. Something's been playing. Oh, there you go. You can take it if you want. I'll get the net.
Not taking it.
No, it's not really doing much with it. It's just moved. That one's not doing anything. Sky looks so pretty.
Will I check it?
Some point. When do you think it's worth checking? You got a fish on?
Yeah.
Percher?
Nope.
Nope. Didn't see it. Ooh. It is a salmon. That's a pretty big salmon, babe. Funny, that's really long. Wowzer!
You want to come over this way?
Yeah, away from the,
It's a stocky.
There was. It's a holdover from, they don't put very big ones in here, so. Oh, we're all tangled on that. Holy crap. I don't know if I can unhook that will help. No, probably not. I have no idea how that got tangled like that. Shit. I'll get my pliers. Then I'll have to fix that. All right.
It's right there.
Oh, okay.
The hook.
Oh, yeah. Wow. That's a funny way to be hooked. On you. I gotta hold it up higher. There we go.
You want to keep it?
It's up to you. At least, yeah, not bad. It's got to be 18 at least, maybe longer. Yeah. It is skinny. Skinny salmon here. Everyone says that.
Yeah.
Fat togue, skinny salmon.
Yeah, it is.
Yep. It's up to you if you want to keep it or not.
Well, just let it go.
There, off and running. Awesome.